Good morning. We're all doing well.
Nice. I'm Jesslyn Lemke. I'm the volunteer media coordinator for Shield City, and we're going to do a Q&A with Laura this morning. Laura, how are things in beautiful Kano this morning?
Everything is going well. It's very hot today.
Wow.
Very hot.
Wow, okay. Any mangoes yet? Is it mango season yet?
It is mangoes. They're all falling on the ground, and everyone is picking them up. Here's one. Okay.
Oh my goodness, that's wonderful.
They're all falling out of the tree right now.
Okay. Well, save me some. Okay.
And there's Suleiman. He's collecting any that he can find right there.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, Laura, why don't you tell us a little bit about some of the work you've been doing lately? There's a lot of things happening at the center, but I heard you had an autism training for your parents this weekend. Tell me how that went.
Yeah, we partnered with Fatih Giwa, and she is a coach for parents of kids with autism. She's has a lot of certifications and a lot of experience coaching parents. So we have been partnering with her on some fundraising projects. And this past weekend, we had a workshop where she was training the parents, teaching the parents. They talked a lot about connecting with their child and helping their kids to emotionally regulate. And while she was teaching the parents, we were helping the kids to have a fun day. We had a bouncy castle and games, and we had chicken and waffles, and the parents had a great time learning a lot of different things and having a break from their normal routine.
Excellent.